What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. Hope you are having a wonderful day. We got the egg rolling again. We're going to be doing some spatchcocked chicken. Just spatchcocked it inside. We're going to be hitting it with some SPG and some Spellbound from Lane's Barbecue. We got the egg rolling. We're going to put the deflector on, or the egg convector on. That bad boy on. We're going to get up to about 250. Throw that spatchcock chicken on and let it smoke. Peace. All right, so like I said, we spatchcocked it. We lifted up the skin, seasoned the meat as well as the skin. Super pumped to get this on, but look how beautiful that coloring is. Just imagine how it's gonna be when it's cooked. Yep. All right, the bird is on. Now we smoke. And we're done. Just hit 165. We're gonna take this bad boy off. We're gonna let it rest a bit. All right, so we let it sit just for a couple minutes. It's actually been about 20 minutes. I did steal a little of the skin here just to try that. We're gonna peel this off and we're gonna cut off just some of the breast. Wow, this thing is juicy. Holy cow. Oh my God, this is gonna be great. Oh baby. I don't know if you can see that, but look how moist this is. There's so much juice in this. I mean, this is what you get when you brine. It's just, like, you can't compare it. It's the best way to make chicken. Super simple, and yet, like, yields the absolute best results. It's like, I mean, you could wring it out. It's awesome. Even the wing is just, oh my gosh, that is so good. Yeah, 10 out of 10. You gotta try this. Like I said, this is like, it's super simple, yet it's just so good. And destroy this thing in a night. Wow. Look, I mean, you can just see the juice. Incredible.